Good afternoon, Mr. Nero. What's your experience with the Sicilian Film Festival?
My experience has been very positive because I felt wonderful here. I have to thank Mr. Emanuele Viscuso that he had the courage to do a Sicilian Film Festival in Miami. It's not easy to do something like that, but I think that I agree with him. I think that to do a festival that they talk about Sicilian movies is very important, because to me Sicily is one of the most beautiful regions in the world. There is a great culture. Most of the Americans, they know Sicily because of mafia. This is all bullshit, because maybe there is 1%, but 99% of the people, they are fantastic, they are generous, they are talented. Sicily generated great writers like Pirandello, like Leonardo Sciascia, like Bufalino. Sicily has been the center of the European culture, because there were so many civilizations there. There were the Greeks, there were the Byzantines, the Normans, the Arabs, the Turks, everywhere, from all over the world, or from all over Europe. They concentrated in Sicily, and they left great monuments, I would say, like the amphitheater in Taormina, the amphitheater in Syracuse, in Agrigento. So I think that I'm very glad to be here, and I hope to be back next year.
Which one is the best, the most special remember you will bring with you in Italy when you will go back to Italy?
The best remembering would be staying at the house of Emanuele Viscuso, where I had the chance to try to fish with the net. Anyway, that is a good thing, but apart from that is the generosity, the friendship that I managed to have with Emanuele, because he's a lovely person, full of talent, and we need people like that.